challenging part, I think every aspect of it. Kasi even though I've competed already internationally before, this one is a different ballgame. So learning about Supernational and of course knowing our game plan from Poland. I'm very, very excited to showcase what I have prepared to the Supernational.
Okay. What message do you want to convey to your fellow candidates and in the international community?
Sabi ko nga in myself, I would show them the warmth of the Philippines, the heart that we have. And I think this one will really shine just as long as my authenticity will really shine in the Supernational.
Paano mo naman i-introduce ang Pilipinas sa mga kapwa mo candidate dun sa Poland?
Oh, I really tell them the responsibility not just about their speeches or nothing, but of course, the mga Filipino, the hospitality we have, the warmth, the care that we love for other people. So I'm very excited to really bring the Philippines with me.
At ulitin natin yung tanong na during your press conference, kung naging advantage ko, disadvantage yung paghihintay mo ng 1 year.
I think both disadvantage and advantage, but of course, it's more of really knowing where or what aspects you really focus on. And for me, this past few months, I've really been preparing lahat talaga. I worked everything, my heart, 101% na talaga ako ready. And I'm very, very excited to showcase everything that I've been preparing.
At kaya bang may uwi yung pangalawang round for the Philippines?
Kaya mo. I think this time, 13 years, and I think this is the time that the Philippines really will have the Miss Supernational. The Miss Supernational 2026.
Okay. What makes you a strong candidate for the title?
So mga kapolitika, ang inyo pong napanood ay si Miss Supranational Philippines 2026 na si Katrina Ligado dahil siya po ang maging pambato ng ating bansa para dito sa Miss Supranational na gaganapin sa bansang Thailand para ngayong taon. So nanalo itong si Katrina Ligado noong nakaraang taon, and then siya ang mag-represent ng ating bansa para sa Miss Supranational this year. At nasa Thailand na nga po dahil kahapon po ay lumipad na ang eroplanong sinasakyan ni Katrina Ligado dito papunta sa Poland para maging representative or candidate ng Pilipinas. So far mga kapolitika, tayo ay positibo dito sa maging laban ni Katrina Ligado sa Poland para sa Miss Supranational, at ngayon ay nananawagan ng tulong at suporta ang ating mga kababayan para dito kay Katrina Ligado sa kanyang maging laban or competition. The Instagram influencer opportunity begins now. It's time to flood Instagram with Filipino pride and help Miss Supranational Philippines 2026. Katrina Ligado secure her place in the top 20 of Miss Supranational Instagram influencer opportunity. Gather your family and friends, complete the mechanics, and let's make every interaction count before voting closes on July 15 at 2 a.m. on Philippine time. So, ganito paano suportahan itong si Katrina. How to support? Go to Katrina's photo on the Miss Supranational Instagram account. Like the post, 2 points. Follow the Miss Supranational Instagram account. So that's 3 points. At comment why you support Katrina and include the official hashtag Miss Supranational or Miss Supranational 2026. So yun po ay 4 points mga kapolitika. Save the official post, 5 points. Let's make enough digital noise for the world to notice the Philippines. Para kay Katrina, para sa Pilipinas. So suportahan po natin again itong si Katrina Ligado sa kanyang laban dito sa Miss Supranational 2020. Kung sino man po sa inyo yung may Instagram account ay pwede kayong pumunta doon sa page ng Miss Supra at suportahan yung kanyang photo, but make sure na i-follow po natin yung kanilang page mga kapolitika para makadagdag doon sa kanyang points. Okay, kasi na-notice ng ating mga kababayan na tila ba hindi ganoon kainit ang suporta ng ilan sa ating mga kababayan dito kay Katrina Ligado. So yun po ang ating update dito sa Miss Supranational at yung final pa nila is sa July 31 doon sa Poland at August 1 na po dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so yun po ang latest dito sa Supra. So aside dito kay Katrina Ligado mga kapolitika, ay usap-usapan po pala itong pambato ngayon ng Thailand dito sa Supra dahil tila ba napansin ng ating mga netizen na nung nakarang araw is in-announce daw na wala daw candidate ang Thailand para sa Supra ngayong taon, and then all of a sudden is nagulat yung ating mga netizen bakit napasali ang pambato ng Thailand dito sa Miss Supra gayong merong announcement na wala silang candidate. So ang duda ng ating mga netizen ay baka daw magkakaroon ng mekos-mekos or senyalis na daw ito na baka sa Thailand daw ibibigay ang corona this year for Miss Supranational, kasi alam naman po natin yung nangyari doon sa Miss World kay Opal Suchata, diba? So baka daw dito sa Supranational ay kay Thailand daw ibibigay ang corona dahil pinapaingay daw itong issue na hindi siya sasali, pero all of a sudden is bigla daw lumitaw ang pangalan ni Thailand doon sa sa story ng Miss Supranational page. So indikasyon di umano ito na magkakaroon ng luto-luto or cooking show, mekos-mekos dito sa kailang kompetisyon. So para sa akin naman mga kapolitika, ang aking masabi at mga reaksyon ay it's very early to say na magkakaroon ng lutuan, not unless is magkakaroon pa ng ibang mga senyales, ibang mga makikita natin dito all throughout sa kanilang journey, sa kanilang kompetisyon. Pero ngayon dahil lang doon sa baka nagkaroon lang ng miscommunication, diba, or nagkaroon lang ng misunderstanding, so baka yung announcement nila is nagkamali lang sila, pero ang totoo pala ay sasali pala talaga itong si Thailand. Baka nagkaroon ng usapan, so hindi natin alam, pero sa ngayon ay abangan na lang po natin ang mga susunod na kaganapan at I believe na very early to say na magkakaroon ng lutuan dito sa Miss Supranational at ibibigay kay Thailand ang corona. Okay, so siguro is overthinking lang tayo mga kapolitika. So abangan na lang natin kung talagang magkatotoo itong sinasabi ng ating mga netizen na pinapaingay lang daw nila ang Miss Supranational dahil dito sa issue ni Thailand na hindi siya sasali ng base doon sa kailang announcement, and then all of a sudden is biglang lumitaw yung kanyang pangalan na isa pala siya sa mga contestant ng Supra para ngayong taon. Ano po mga kapolitika ang inyong masasabi? Kayo po ba ay naniniwala na magkakaroon ng lutuan or mekos-mekos dito sa Miss Supranational 2026? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Both of you are looking so good tonight. And hi Miss Supra. Hi Mr. Supra. Dapat masanay na tayo tawagin silang Mr. and Miss Supra kasi few weeks from now we are calling them we're calling them Miss Supranational 2026 and Mr. Supranational 2026. And ayun, few months ago tinawagan ako ni Kat to meet her. And syempre, hindi naman makakahindi sa isang meet Kat. And I was so excited to tell her, share her all my experience, all what I felt, and all my preparation during the Supranational.
And we come to this day na we see her into a woman right now, a woman who is inspirational, aspirational, and someone who could be our second Miss Supranational. And she's been through a lot to sum it all up. Dami yung naging struggles throughout this preparation. Marami siyang prepare. Diba? Marami siyang prepare. And yes, to represent the country at an international stage when it comes to pageantry is not really that easy. So, kudos to her kasi she had made it. And I really can't wait to see you wear the crown, come home, and girl, mag-celebrate tayo dyan. And of course, to Felipe, for the few months that I've known him, he really has that great heart. I think that's that will be his greatest factor in winning the first Mr. Supranational crown. He is someone who is dedicated into what he does. May it be when it comes to pageantry, when it comes to being a son, when it comes to his sports as well. And with that, I think he is ready as well. And looking at this two super duos, there's one common denominator. And it is their humility. Their humility towards other people, their humility when it comes to supporting their own causes. And with that being said, I'm ready to call them Mr. and Miss Supranational 2026. Good luck, and I'll see you in a few weeks.